Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and activate your TD Bank debit card online. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for the matter, the very first thing would be simply for you to access td.com on your web browser. Once you have done so, you're going to find this kind of interface over here, right? The other step would be simply for you to log in just by tapping on it, enter your credentials of your account, and simply get signed in. Once you have done so, either there is a possibility you might find that particular option listed over there if you have just received your debit card. If you do not, then you can simply tap on the search bar and type in activate, and here in the section you're going to find this option of how do I activate my new Visa debit card or ATM card. Once you have tapped on it, you're going to find this kind of interface, right? You can see from simply rewarding to clearly simple. This is one of the options. If you scroll on to the bottom, you want to find this option of it's an article where you can see how to activate my new Visa debit card. It's like first is to visit the account service page and look for the link on the column. So you can see, first of all, you will be prompted to select which card and then provide some basic info, which would be last four SSN from an ATM card, CVV, and expiration date for a debit card. This is all you need, the information. And the other would be simply for you to contact themselves directly, them directly, and providing them the information would do. You can see it's easy to activate a new debit or ATM card. The next time you log into TD Bank online banking, visit the account service page and look for the link under cards and account settings. Once you have done so, you will be entering this to information which will be on your card, and you will be done. That is a simple way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.